Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple little leaf. It's quick, easy, and a great beginner project. I recently used this type of leaf in one of my other videos, making a crochet apple. Alright, let's begin. First, let's make a slip knot and then chain 7. From there, we're going to work on the first side of the leaf. In the second chain from the hook, you do a single crochet. So right here. And once you've done the single crochet, you're going to do a half double crochet in the next chain. So we're increasing the height a little bit. In the next chain, make a double crochet. And then in the following chain, make another double crochet. Then we go back to making a half double crochet into the next chain. So now we're decreasing the height. And then in the last chain, we'll make a single crochet. So that completes the first side of the leaf. And next we are going to build the second side. So in that last chain that we did a single crochet, we're going to turn the leaf clockwise a little bit and then make a single crochet in that same chain. Then in the next chain, we'll make a half double crochet. So we're doing parallel to the other side. Then we'll continue with a double crochet in the next chain. And then one more double crochet in the following chain. Next, we're going to do a half double crochet in the next chain. And then a single crochet in that last chain. And to finish off the leaf, I like to make one more single crochet at the very top. So I connect to that first stitch at the top with a single crochet, and it ends up a little bit of a sharper leaf on one side. So that's it. The only thing you would like to do next is finish it off by hiding the tail end in the back. So cut the yarn, use a crochet needle, and just weave the yarn through the back of the leaf. Keep that loose, don't pull too hard on the tail ends because it will scrunch. And then once you're done, just cut the yarn. And that's it. There you have it, a simple crochet leaf. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new crochet video. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting!